Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. One more time, I'm showing you another design in a royal bed and the Maharaja's concept that we always talk about and the design that you see here. Looking at this, I'm sure if you have searched online for a royal bed even once, you should have seen this design in the images. But those images that you are looking online are catalog images. I've explained this earlier in my video also. Most of the designs that you see online with all the setup with the curtains and the vases and the chandeliers, these designs are mostly generated on software. And then the final output is shown like an actual picture, but they're not actual units. Actual stuff is something like this. And the unit you are looking at here is a teak wood, antique gold paint, and a king size bed. King size 72 by 78, 6 by 6.5 mattress area. Now the bed size. The height of the back of this unit is a little less than 6 feet, 3 inches less than 6 feet. And the design. This is one of my most favorite models because the kind of quilting you see on the back. It's a heavy quilting, heavy cushioning, and when you finally have this and you are sitting on this bed with your back on this area, it's very comfortable. Now this unit is without storage. Without storage means this is open on the sides. Now if you can have a look from the side here, this doesn't have a storage on this unit. The front part of this unit is 30 inches high. This part is 30 inches from the ground, 2.5 feet. And the front design, just like the back unit, it complements the design of the back and the heavy carving with the beautiful rose design that is carved out and stands out from the carving. In our work, if you see the carving part that stands out, and with the antique gold thing, everything comes very clearly once you have this. In normal paints, the carving does not stand out that much as compared to the antique part, antique gold that we are doing. And that's the same reason this has been the most liked color. And every time I show you a unit, every second video of mine is in this color. Now about the height here, if you are using a mattress that is very thick or very high, let us know. We'll accordingly design this area. We'll keep it down so it's comfortable for sitting. This bed comes with two side tables. The side table is 20 inches by 15 inches and the height is 20 inches. This is a little different from the other ones. As you can see, a Taj design on the back of this unit. And it has two drawers on both of them. Side tables are quite handy. They are also called nightstands because when you are sleeping, when you are about to sleep, you can keep anything on the side stands, and they are very easy to get when you are keeping it on a side table and you are very close to it. Now the overall design that you see, the nice work that you see, this is all hand work. This is not a CNC machine. The beauty that you see here is the quality, is the work that's being done by Arson and the trademark of our city Saharanpur. That's not easily available anywhere across the globe. You may have seen designs from Turkey, you may have seen Egyptian furniture, but a simple question here. Before this recent ban on imports from Turkey in the Middle East, a lot of people from Middle East are buying stuff from us. Here a question arises. Why they are leaving Turkey that is right close to them and buying from us? The answer is very clear. The quality is very different. Something that is very nice from outside may not be that good quality that we are providing. And when we are getting orders from across the globe, we are sure that they know what quality we are making, because nobody spends so much money from across the globe or across India and pay over the phone and transfer to accounts before confirming that we are doing something. Another thing, friends, we have almost 350 plus videos on YouTube, and I've shown you so many units, different stuff, different designs. This one in particular is going to Bangalore, and every part of world we have almost covered except Pakistan and China and a few smaller countries. We have exported to Nigeria, we have sent to Ghana, Tanzania, and Europe, US, Australia, New Zealand, they are regular destinations. Mauritius, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, most of the countries we have covered, entire Middle East, Qatar, Oman, Dubai, everywhere we have sent the stuff. And across India, even to the remotest areas in Northeast, we have sent stuff. So any design that you like, we can send anywhere you want. Obviously, there will be a cost that will let you know. The color of the cushion, the designing part, the color part, you want to change anything, we personalize the furniture according to your requirement. When you are paying so much money, why not to get what you want? And we can provide that. So contact us. For the pricing also, we'll request you to contact us. We'll give you the pricing according to your requirement. Any changes you want it with storage, we can make that. You want any changes in the colors, we can do that. And would request you to please drop a few comments. Let us know how we are doing, how the work is. You like it or you don't like it. Please drop a few comments. Thank you so much.